Hold on right there. Before you toss those scraps into the garbage, I need you to hear this. What if I told you that the secret to a healthier, more beautiful garden is sitting right there in your kitchen trash? Most of us throw away banana peels, eggshells, and coffee grounds every single day without thinking twice. But here's the thing. Those so-called scraps are loaded with the exact same nutrients you're paying top dollar for at the garden center. A bag of good organic fertilizer can cost you $15 to $30, and it doesn't even last that long. But what if you could feed your garden for free? No chemicals, no expensive trips to the store, just simple, natural ingredients from your own kitchen. Welcome back to Senior Garden Advisor. Today, I'm showing you 5 kitchen scraps that are absolute gold for your garden. I'll show you how to use each one, which plants love them, and the mistakes you need to avoid. Let's turn your trash into treasure.
Let's start with number 1, the humble banana peel. Most of us eat bananas regularly, but here's what a lot of folks don't realize. Banana peels are packed with potassium. That's the K in NPK on every fertilizer bag. Potassium promotes strong roots, helps with water absorption, and most importantly, it encourages flowering and fruiting. So, if your roses aren't blooming or your tomatoes are all leaves and no fruit, they're probably craving potassium. Here's the easiest way to use them. Take 3 or 4 banana peels, drop them into a jar with 1 gallon of water, and let it sit for 48 hours. The water turns a dark brownish color. That's all the good stuff leaching out. Strain the peels and use that liquid to water your plants at the base. It's like a potassium smoothie for your garden. Roses, tomatoes, peppers, and hibiscus absolutely love this. Quick tip: if chopping peels is tough on your hands, freeze them first. Once thawed, they break apart with almost no effort.
Number 2, eggshells. If you eat eggs for breakfast, you've got a gold mine in your kitchen. Eggshells are roughly 95% calcium carbonate. Calcium strengthens cell walls, supports root development, and helps plants absorb other nutrients. Here's why this matters. If you've ever grown tomatoes and noticed the bottom turning black and mushy, that's called blossom end rot. 9 times out of 10, it's caused by calcium deficiency. Eggshells can prevent that. The key is to grind them into a fine powder. Rinse the shells, dry them, then blend them in a coffee grinder or blender. Sprinkle the powder around your tomatoes and peppers and work it into the top layer of soil. Big mistake people make? Tossing big chunks into the garden. Those take 1 to 2 years to break down. Powder works much faster. Bonus trick? Scatter crushed eggshell pieces around your plants to keep slugs and snails away. They hate crawling over those sharp edges. Build a simple routine. Keep a jar by the sink. Drop shells in all week, blend them on Sunday. 2 minutes and your garden will thank you. Number 3. Used coffee grounds. If you're a coffee drinker, stop throwing those grounds away. Coffee grounds contain about 2% nitrogen, the nutrient responsible for leafy green growth. If your plants look pale, yellow, or tired, they're probably begging for nitrogen. Grounds also improve soil structure and attract earthworms, which are your soil's best friends. The simplest method: spread a thin layer, about 1/4 inch, around the base of your plants and mix it lightly into the top inch of soil. Important warning: do not pile on a thick layer. It compacts down and blocks water from reaching the roots. A little goes a long way. Think of it like seasoning. Blueberries, azaleas, rhododendrons, hydrangeas, and roses particularly enjoy coffee grounds. And let me clear up a common myth. Used coffee grounds are actually close to neutral pH, around 6.5. It's the fresh, unbrewed grounds that are acidic, so used grounds are safe for most plants. Warm tone. If you're a tea drinker, used tea leaves work great too. Just remove the staple from the bag first. Number 4. Probably the most underrated item on this list: onion and garlic skins. Those dry, papery skins you peel off every day are packed with sulfur, potassium, calcium, and iron. But what makes them truly special is their natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. Here's how to use them. Take a handful of onion skins from about 4 or 5 onions, place them in a jar, pour 1 quart of warm water over them, and let it steep for 24 hours. The water turns a reddish-brown color. Strain it, and you've got 2 things in one. Pour it at the base of your plants as a liquid fertilizer, or pour it in a spray bottle and mist it on the leaves. It works as a natural pest repellent. Aphids and spider mites hate the sulfur compounds. Keep a small paper bag on your counter. Every time you peel an onion or garlic, drop the skins in. No smell, no mess. By the weekend, you'll have plenty for a batch of garden tea. And number 5, vegetable scraps. Carrot peels, potato skins, celery ends, pepper cores, wilted lettuce. Collectively, these are like a multivitamin for your soil. My favorite method for seniors is trench composting. No compost bin, no turning, no heavy lifting. Just dig a hole about 12 inches deep in your garden, drop the scraps in, and cover them with soil. In 3 to 6 weeks, earthworms break everything down, and you're left with rich, dark, nutrient-packed soil. Just dig, drop, and cover. Let nature do the heavy lifting. One important rule: only use raw, unprocessed scraps. No meat, no dairy, no oily food, no heavily salted scraps. These attract pests and harm your soil. Stick to plain vegetable scraps and you'll be fine. Before we wrap up, 3 quick mistakes to avoid. 1. Overfeeding. More is not better. Once a week is plenty. 2. Not washing eggshells. Raw egg residue can carry salmonella. Always rinse before using. 3. Leaving scraps on the surface. Always bury them or cover with mulch. Otherwise, you're inviting raccoons and squirrels to a free dinner. And there you have it, 5 kitchen scraps that can transform your garden for free. Banana peels for blooms, eggshells for calcium, coffee grounds for green growth, onion skins for pest control, and veggie scraps for rich, healthy soil. Start doing this consistently, and you could save $20 to $40 a month on fertilizers. Not bad for stuff that was headed for the trash. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. As I always say, gardening isn't just about growing plants. It's about growing joy, staying active, and staying connected to the earth. Until next time, friends, happy gardening.